everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week 6/23 into my envelopes. Actually, I take that back. It's going to be a little bit more than that, but I'll explain that in a bit. But I'm going to figure out all of the amounts that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes. I already did my wallet. The wallet's getting my usual amounts this week. So spending is going to get 30, eating out 30 as well, groceries is 80, coffee 20, and buffer 10. So that's my wallet. I have the denominations already tallied up. And now I can move on into my binders. So I'm going to first start off in this one right here, which is more of my like long-term binder. And oh, you know what? Minus 170. Actually, I take that back. I'm gonna go into savings first because I have a couple of challenges that I already planned ahead on. So let me take care of that first. So roll the dice. I actually need to put aside 21. So I'm gonna write that in. Roll the dice is 21. And then the other one is the 52 week. This week it's only 5. Okay. I'll come back to this binder. I'm gonna move on to this one. So I like to prioritize in this one my extra debt envelope, which, okay, it's right here. I have 300. I'm actually going to take this back to the bank before I do my next cash stuffing. So when I cash stuff, this will be empty. That's the plan. So I plan on making a $300 payment to my last credit card. So that'll go towards that. But I'm going to start this over for the new month for January. This will be towards January's amount for this payment. So I'm gonna do, I think I'll do 40 this week into this envelope. So extra debt is 40. And then whatever I do in extra debt, I like to do that in treat yourself. So that's gonna get 40 as well. And then I'm just gonna go, actually, emergency. I have 670. I'm just gonna do 25. I'm just gonna go down the line in this one. So auto repair is gonna get 20. Electronics, I have 350. I'm gonna put 15. Okay, I already did emergency. I already did extra debt. Furniture has 265, so I'm gonna do 15. That one's done. That one's done. Then rainy day, I'm gonna do 25. Canva is gonna get 10. I'm trying to do the subscription to Canva, so that's what this is saving for. And I plan on hopefully having these envelopes all figured out, like all actual envelopes in the cash stuffing. That's my goal, is to make them. Okay, and then I didn't subtract. Again, road trip. I thought I was going out of town this week, but turns out that didn't happen. But if I had gone, I would have used this money to pay for that. So I'm just building it for now, because I'm sure I'm gonna be going out of town sometime soon. So this one's gonna get 20. And Scentsy, I'm just gonna do 10. Oh, I didn't write Scentsy. Okay, let me write it down here. 10. All right, so that is it for this binder. Next binder is the white one, which is more of my like short-term envelopes. Okay, so Beauty is gonna get, we have $6, 15. Clothing, I feel like I have a good amount. Yeah, I have 95 in clothing, so I'm just gonna put 5. Content is gonna get 5. Costco is gonna get 10. Disney, I'm gonna put 20. I'm going to Disney in a couple weeks, so that one will be good. Family, I'm gonna put 10. Fun is going to get 55. 10 as well. Gifts, I'm gonna put 15. Holiday decor, it's not a priority, but I'm gonna put 5. Home decor is gonna get 10. Household, I only have $2, so that's gonna get 20. Planner stuff, 5. And Target is gonna get 20. Okay, so that one is all done. And I actually forgot to grab another binder because this envelope is still in here. So my Christmas one, I'm just gonna do, let's see, for Christmas, it's gonna get, I'm just gonna put 10. Okay, so that one's done. So now back into my savings. So savings is the pink one. And okay, so Go Wild. I'm actually not gonna put anything in here because for Christmas, I got money to go towards here. My family gifted me money, so I did write a little note down here to remind myself that I have Christmas gifts for my family. My mom and my stepdad gave me $250, and then my sister and her family gave me $100. So I already have the $100 in cash. My sister will show the cute little card that they gave me. So I have the $100 already in cash, but the $250 that my mom gave me is in a check. So I need to account for that and put it in the cash stuffing. So this is gonna be $250 on that one. So this total is gonna change. I'll have to figure that out in a little bit, but once I make sure everything's correct on this side. So that's that one. So I'm not gonna stuff any money myself in here since I'm putting $350 into this. So that's pretty good. All right, so next is the 100 envelope challenge. So this box right here. Let's see, I'm thinking I'm gonna just do this low one because I want to put money into savings challenges too. So I'm just gonna do 100 envelope is gonna do 20, is gonna get 25. So I'm left with $22 for savings. Okay, so that's 0. So actually, let me figure out my new total. So my new total that I'm actually going to pull out from the bank is $623 plus the $250 that my mom gave me. So it's actually going to be $873 that I'm taking out of the bank. I already deposited the check, so that's good to go. And I just need to pull it out and get it to stuff. All right, so that's everything. So now I'm just gonna figure out all the denominations over here. So for auto repair, that's gonna get a 20. I have a 10 and a 5 for electronics. Emergency is 25. Extra debt is 2 20s. Furniture is 15. Treat yourself is 2 20s. Rainy day is 25. Canva is 10. Road trip is 20. Beauty is 15. Clothing is a 5. So is content. And Costco is a 10. Disney is a 20. Family and fun are 10s. Gifts is 15, so 10 and a 5. Holiday decor 5. Home decor 10. Household is 20. Planner stuff 5. Target is 20. Christmas is 10. Go Wild is going to get 2 100s and a 50. 2 100s and a 50. Roll the dice is 21, so 20 and a 1. 52 week is just a $5 bill. Scentsy is $10. 10. 100 envelope is 25, so 20 and a 5. And savings is 22. So for savings, I'm gonna do trying to see if I can get, because I have a $3 challenge. Okay, so I'm just gonna do 2 5s. Okay, so that's 2 5s and then 12 1s. That's 22. Okay, so let me just count up all the tallies and make sure all of this totals out correctly. So I have 2 100s. Oops, sorry. I don't want to do tallies on the bottom. 2 100s, and then I have 3 50s. 20s is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 20s. 10s 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 10s. 5s 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. And then 1s is 12 17 18 1s. So this is 200. Oh, let me make sure you guys can see. Yeah. 150. 20 times 15 is 300. 160. 15 times 5 is 75. And 18. Okay, so hopefully this all totals out to 873. So 200, 150, 300, 160, 75, and 18. Oops. Totally messed up. 200, 150, 300, 160, 75. Oops, plus 18. Wait, did I mess up somewhere? I think I messed up somewhere. Hold on. 200, 150, 300, 160, 75. Oh, I messed up somewhere. Oh, where did I mess up? Hold on. Let's see where I messed up. Where did I mess up? Sometimes at the tallies, I mess up with the tallies. So let me double check. I know where I messed up. It's right here. I don't know why I put that in the wrong place. So that totally threw it all off. I don't have 3 50s. I have 2 50s and I have an extra 20. So this is supposed to be 2. Wait. 2, and this is 16. So this is 100. Oh, wait, geez. This thing is going to be filled with whiteout. 100, and then this is 20 times 16 is 320. 200, 100, 320, 160, 75, and 18. 873. Perfect. Okay. So that is it. Just a slight little mistake, but you know, putting it in the wrong spot is just going to totally mess it all up. So it happens. But that is it. So when I go to the bank, I'm going to ask for 2 $100 bills, 2 50, 16 20s, 16 10s, 15 5s, and 18 1s. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching me cash plan for the week. Definitely make sure to check out my cash stuffing of this so you can see how that all goes. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see all of the videos that I put out. I put out content every single day. I have lots of content that I put out for you to enjoy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video.